Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Snappa for Facebook ads. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to snappa.com. Start by logging into your Snappa account. From the list of preset dimension, select Facebook ad. It is optimized for Facebook ad dimension, which is 1200 by 628 pixels. After clicking on it, you will find Feature Templates. Snappa provides various templates specifically designed for Facebook ads. Browse through the option or start with a blank canvas if you want complete control over your design. You can click on the text area of the template to add your ad copy. Keep it short, clear, and compelling to grab attention quickly. Use fonts that are readable and make the text stand out. You can also upload the background. Go to the Background tab here to upload an image relevant to your ad, or choose from Snappa library for high-quality, royalty-free stock photos. You can click on the Graphic tab to add icon, shape, or other graphic that enhance your message and make your ad more engaging. Once you are satisfied with the design, click on Download to save your ad design in a JPG or PNG format. The file will be ready to upload directly to Facebook as part of your ad campaign. Following these steps will help you create professional, attention-grabbing Facebook ads using Snappa that are optimized for engagement. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.